Hi, so today I will explain you about how you can write any text in a file. So the first process to writing something in a file is to open that file and then write that file, and the third step is to close that file. So say if you want to write some text, it can be any length. Text can be of any length, and the extension of the file will be .txt. In that case, you can write by just writing using the function open for opening a file with a given for a given name, for the chosen name, and then you can write by writing using the write method, and then you can use the close function for closing that file. So let's first use open, and then let's write the name of the file. We can write any name. So we are choosing right now as hello world.txt, and comma, then we are using w for writing. So we want to write, that's why we are writing comma w. So that is now stored as f. Now what we have to write is f dot write. Whatever we want to write, we can write inside this write function. Once we have written, we can write the f dot close. This is done for closing that file. So first opening and then writing and then closing. So just do this, and you can I will search for this hello world dot txt. So I will see whether it is written. So yeah, so I can see that it is written what a sunny day. What a sunny day. So this is the way you can write. The same thing you can do using a function with. You will write the same thing as above, like this: with open as f colon f dot write and f dot close. The same thing. These are two ways of writing the same thing in a text file. So again, if I will see this time I have written what a rainy day. What a rainy day is now written on this. So you can write anything, whatever you want to write. Just you need to first open, then write and close. You can name the file anything, and the main thing is it will be stored on the path where you have stored this Jupyter notebook file, or where you have stored the script, Python script file. So you can set the path of the set the path where you want to store this file by using the function. And then once you set the path, it will write and open the file and close the file, and at that path only, at that location only. So now you know that how you can write a text in a text file, .txt file. Now say if you have written anything, now you want to see what is written in a file. You can open any text file using the Python, and right now I'm using Jupyter notebook. At the backend, the Python is running. So it's the same thing. If you don't have Jupyter notebook, you can use the Python console, and you can give the same functions as I am writing in this notebook. So you can write f is equal to open. Now instead of w, you will write r, and r is for read. So if you write is f is equal to open this comma read r, and then f dot read, so that will be stored in message, and now you print that message and close the file. Let's do this what a rainy day, because in next while writing in the next step we were writing what a rainy day. So now we opened that file and read that file, and then we printed that message. So it is showing that it is what a rainy day. So this was about writing a text into a .txt file, and this is for reading a text file which is already being written and it is saved somewhere. If you want to mention the path, you can mention the path, or you can either save that file in the location where this script or your Jupyter notebook is being saved. So keep in mind, you should keep the path of the script or Jupyter notebook same as your file location, or if that is different, then you can you can set the path here, or you can give the path name where you want to save or where you want to write. Next, how to write a data frame to a CSV file. Again, you import pandas as PD, and then I am right now creating I'm creating a file which is a pandas data frame. You can have any data frame which you have read in your Python script or in this Jupyter notebook, but I am just creating one data frame. Let's create, then df is now this. Let's see what is stored in this data frame. So we can see df, so it is stored the same. So a, b, and this. There is also one column which is the index column. We do not want this index column to be written in the CSV file. Now what we will do is we will use this df object and dot to CSV, and whatever the name we want to choose, we can choose. Dot CSV extension has to be written, and then comma separated by a comma, that is the delimiter we are using right now. We are saving into comma separated value, so separation by comma, and index is equal to false I am using because I do not want this first column, that is the indexing column. If you want, then you can write is index is equal to true. Let's just select this and then save this file, and let's check what we are getting. Hello world.csv. If we open this, we can see this is saved, so that's good. So we can save any pandas data frame or anything into a CSV file, means any tabular format data into the CSV format, or you can write any text into a .txt file like this. So these are the two ways you can write the data. There are also many other ways, but these are the most common ways which I have explained you. So thanks for watching this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you.